Here comes our next question. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. So the name of union territories and states are have been given here and the capital name are have been given here. So start. Assam, Dagra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep and Sikkim, Silvassa, Gangtok, Dispur and Kavarati. So the capital of Assam is Dispur. The capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is Kavarati. The capital of Lakshadweep is Silvassa and the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. B option is correct. What is the stage in the population cycle in which India is classified on the basis of its demographic characteristics? So the stage is late expanding stage. C option is correct. In India, population density is defined as the number of person per square kilometer. D option is correct. A high growth rate of population is characterized by high birth and low death rates. B option is correct. One of the pairs not matched correctly is the pair is Dehradun. It is not in UP. Simla is in Himachal Pradesh. Darjeeling is in West Bengal and Panchmari is in MP, but Dehradun is not in UP. A option is correct. According to India's report of 2001, percentage of population living in rural areas it is 74%. B option is correct. The number of females per 1000 males in India's population according to census 2001 is 933. Now you will have to tell about according to census 2011 in the comment section. Which state of India has the largest percentage of poor? The state is Bihar. What percentage of Indian population is below actual poverty line? It is the percentage is below 30%. According to latest estimates, the literacy rate in India is percent of population. So it is almost 74% according to 2011 census. Next question. Jawahar Tunnel, the largest in India, is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The most literate union territory in India is Lakshadweep. B option is correct. During which decade did the population of India record a negative growth rate? The decade was 1911 to 21. B option is correct. The birth rate measures the number of births during a year per 1000 population. B option is correct. Which one of the following states of India records the highest sex ratio? The state is Kerala. Which is the largest state of India population wise according to 2001 census? So the state is Uttar Pradesh. C option is correct. Census of population in India is done after every 10 years. A option is correct. Which of the following states as per census has the highest and lowest sex ratio respectively? So the state is that has highest sex ratio is Kerala and lowest sex ratio is in Haryana. Diu is an island of Gujarat. C option is correct. According to the census data released in July 2011, the fall in child sex ratio in rural areas as compared to urban areas is 4 times. B option is correct. The most densely populated state in India is Bihar. Census data released on July 15, 2011 reflects that 13.48% urban population lives in Maharashtra. C option is correct. The least populated state in India is Sikkim. B option is correct. Which of the following is correctly matched? The correctly matched pair is Tripura and Agartala. C option is correct. Which is the largest state of India? The largest state of India is Rajasthan. C option is correct. Which one of the following states does not have a railway station? The state is Sikkim that does not have a railway station. Which one of the following is not a desert district of Rajasthan? The district is Kota that is not a desert district of Rajasthan. A option is correct. Which one of the following states does not use thermal electricity? The state is Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following districts of MP has a border with another state? The district is Rewa. A option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is a local coastal district of Tamil Nadu? It is Kanyakumari. The state which has developed wind energy in the state is Gujarat. The state having common borders with maximum number of state is Uttar Pradesh. In which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? The state is Kerala. The state having the largest density of population per square kilometer in India is Bihar. Which of the following state is most famous for its beautiful sea beaches? So the state is Goa. B option is correct. Which of the following states in India has the highest net sown area? So the state is Punjab. A option is correct. Which state is known for ivory and sandalwood carvings? So the state is Karnataka. C option is correct. Which one of the following is not a union territory? It is Tripura. It is a state, not a UT. D option is correct. Which state of India has the largest area? The state is Rajasthan. In the history of Indian population, which duration period is referred as a great leap forward? So it was 1921 to 1931. A option is correct. Out of the following Indian states, which state does not have any maritime boundary? So the state is Rajasthan. C option is correct. The density of population in an area is measured by the number of persons. A option is correct. The state which has recently overtaken Karnataka for the top rank in the production of biofertilizers is Tamil Nadu. Maximum number of sugar factories are located in these are located in Uttar Pradesh. Which state is famous for step wells? The state is Gujarat. B option is correct. In which of the following states is child ratio as per the provisional result of the 2011 census the lowest? So the state is Haryana. As per the provisional result of the 2011 census, the density of population in India is 382. The option is correct. The largest union territory in India is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the following registers the highest density in the country as per the census 2011? It is in Delhi. Option is correct. Which state of India shows the lowest population as per census 2011? The state is Sikkim. Which of the following registers the highest density in the country as per 2011 census? So it is Delhi. Child sex ratio as per provisional results of the 2011 census in India is 914. The option is correct. As per 2011 census data, which of the following statements is incorrect? So Bihar has the lowest literacy rate. It is correct. Men outnumber women among the literates. It is correct. The overall literacy rate has gone up. It is also correct. Kerala has the highest literacy rate. It is also correct. All the statements are correct here. Next question. Which of the following is the correct description of the term sex ratio as used in the context of the census? So the term is number of females per thousand males. The option is correct. As per 2011 census data, the child sex ratio has come down from 927 to 914. The option is correct.